Yo, what is up everybody? It's your boy Eyez and we are back with another video. Welcome to Eyez, your go-to source for all things aviation. From legendary jets to breathtaking takeoffs, we've got it all. Today we're diving deep into the world of aviation with an epic showdown. We're talking cargo planes versus passenger planes, two titans of the sky, but which one comes out on top? We'll break down their designs, their purposes, and everything in between. You're gonna get an inside look at what makes these aviation marvels tick. Get ready to soar! Alright, let's kick things off with the workhorses of the sky cargo planes. These beasts are built for one purpose and one purpose only, hauling massive amounts of cargo from point A to point B. We're talking everything from life-saving medical supplies to that new phone you've been eyeing. These planes are the invisible backbone of global trade and logistics. And when I say massive, I mean massive. These planes have cavernous cargo holds that can swallow up entire shipping containers, vehicles, you name it. To accommodate all that heavy lifting, cargo planes are built like tanks. They've got these super sturdy airframes and reinforced floors that can handle the weight of the world, literally. And let's not forget about those massive cargo doors. These things are like something out of a sci-fi movie, opening up to reveal the belly of the beast. Now let's switch gears and talk about the planes that most of us are familiar with, passenger planes. These sleek birds are designed to whisk us away on adventures, whether it's a business trip or a long-awaited vacation. Comfort, safety, and efficiency are the names of the game here. Passenger planes are built with sleek aerodynamic designs to minimize drag and maximize fuel efficiency. Inside you've got rows upon rows of comfy seats, overhead bins for your carry-ons, and of course, those tiny bathrooms that we all know and, well, you know. But it's not just about getting you from point A to point B. Airlines are constantly upping their game with in-flight entertainment systems, Wi-Fi, and even lie-flat seats in those fancy business-class cabins. So, whether you're jetting off to a tropical paradise or catching a red-eye for an important meeting, passenger planes are there to get you there in style. When it comes to design, cargo and passenger planes are like night and day. Cargo planes are all about practicality. They've got these big, boxy fuselages that maximize cargo space even if it means sacrificing a bit of speed. Think of them as the pickup trucks of the sky. They're built for hauling heavy loads, not winning any beauty contests. But hey, who needs a sleek exterior when you're carrying tons of vital supplies, right? Passenger planes, on the other hand, are all about that aerodynamic finesse. They've got those sleek, swept-back wings and streamlined bodies that cut through the air like a hot knife through butter. It's all about reducing drag and maximizing fuel efficiency, which is crucial when you're carrying hundreds of passengers thousands of miles. Plus, let's be real, those sleek lines just look damn good soaring through the sky. Alright, let's sneak past those massive cargo doors and see what's going on inside a cargo plane. Don't expect any fancy interiors here. We're talking about a vast, cavernous space that's designed to hold as much cargo as humanly possible. Think of it as a giant flying warehouse. You'll find rows upon rows of cargo pallets, containers, and even vehicles, all carefully secured with straps and nets to prevent any unwanted shifting during flight. There might be a small section for the crew, with a couple of jump seats and maybe a basic galley, but for the most part, it's all about maximizing that cargo space. It's a far cry from the plush interiors of passenger planes, but hey, when you're shipping everything from life-saving medicine to the latest tech gadgets, comfort takes a backseat to efficiency. Now let's step inside a passenger plane and see how the other half flies. Unlike the utilitarian interiors of cargo planes, passenger cabins are designed with comfort in mind. You've got those plush seats, well, at least in Economy Plus, adjustable headrests and those little air vents that you can never seem to get to blow directly on your face. And let's not forget about the in-flight entertainment systems. From blockbuster movies to addictive TV shows, airlines are constantly upping their game to keep you entertained at 35,000 feet. Of course, no passenger plane experience would be complete without a trip to the lavatory. These compact restrooms may not be glamorous, but they get the job done. And if you're lucky enough to be flying first or business class, well, let's just say you're in for a whole other level of luxury. Think lie-flat seats, gourmet meals, and enough champagne to make you forget you're hurtling through the air at hundreds of miles per hour. Loading a cargo plane is like a perfectly choreographed ballet of heavy machinery and logistics. It's all about getting those massive shipments loaded up and secured as quickly and efficiently as possible. Forklifts scurry around like worker ants, lifting and moving cargo pallets with precision. Conveyor belts snake their way into the belly of the beast, carrying everything from boxes to barrels. And let's not forget about those loadmasters. These highly skilled professionals are the Tetris masters of the aviation world, strategically arranging cargo to maximize space and ensure the plane's weight and balance are perfect for takeoff. It's a well-oiled machine that keeps global commerce moving. Every second counts when you're dealing with time-sensitive shipments, and these crews work tirelessly to keep those planes flying on schedule. Chapter 7. The Boarding Shuffle Passenger Plane Rituals. Ah, the great passenger plane boarding ritual. It's a symphony of shuffling feet, overhead bin Tetris, and that one person who always seems to hold up the line. First, you've got the mad dash to check in your bags, hoping that you're under the weight limit and won't have to empty your entire suitcase onto the airport floor. Then, it's on to security, where you're subjected to the TSA's unique brand of pat-downs and X-ray vision. Finally, you reach your gate, only to be met with a sea of humanity all vying for a spot at the front of the boarding line. But hey, once you're finally settled into your seat, tray table up, and seatbelt fastened, there's a certain sense of excitement that washes over you. You're about to embark on an adventure, and that's always something to be excited about. Chapter 8. Speed Demons or Marathon Flyers. When it comes to speed and range, cargo and passenger planes have different strengths. Cargo planes are like the marathon runners of the sky. They're built for long-haul flights, often crossing entire continents or oceans without refueling. They might not be the fastest birds in the sky, but they can cover some serious ground. Passenger planes, on the other hand, are more like sprinters. They're designed to get you to your destination quickly and efficiently, even if it means making a few more pit stops along the way. Of course, there are always exceptions to the rule. Some cargo planes are built for speed, especially when they're carrying time-sensitive shipments. And some passenger planes, like the Boeing 777LR, have incredible range, capable of flying non-stop for over 17 hours. Chapter 9. The Cargo Crew, Lean, Mean, Flying Machines. The crew of a cargo plane is a small but mighty team. You've got your pilot and co-pilot, the masters of the cockpit, responsible for guiding these massive birds through the sky, and depending on the size of the plane and the cargo, you might have a loadmaster on board as well. These are the logistical geniuses who ensure that the cargo is loaded correctly and the plane is balanced for a safe flight. It's a tight-knit group, working together seamlessly to ensure that those vital shipments reach their destinations on time and in perfect condition. They might not have the glamour of their passenger plane counterparts, but their work is just as crucial to keeping the world running smoothly. Chapter 10. Passenger Plane Crew, your hosts in the sky. Now let's meet the crew of a passenger plane. These are the friendly faces who keep you safe, comfortable, and well-fed, or at least reasonably well-fed, while you're soaring through the air. At the helm, you've got the pilots and co-pilots, the highly skilled aviators who navigate the skies with precision and expertise. But the real stars of the show are the flight attendants. These multitasking marvels are responsible for everything from safety demonstrations to serving drinks and meals. They're trained to handle everything from medical emergencies to unruly passengers, all while maintaining a calm and professional demeanor. So, next time you're on a flight, take a moment to appreciate the hard work and dedication of the passenger plane crew. They're the unsung heroes of the skies, making sure you reach your destination safely and comfortably. Outro. Thanks for flying with Ramp Eyez. So there you have it, folks. The ultimate showdown between cargo and passenger planes. From their design and purpose to their crews and capabilities, we've explored what makes these aviation wonders tick. Which one comes out on top? Well, that's up to you to decide. Both cargo and passenger planes play vital roles in our interconnected world, transporting goods and people across vast distances. Thanks for watching. If you love aviation, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell so you never miss a takeoff. See you in the next flight.